So today we're going to be talking about ocean acidification. We're going to go over what it is, why it's occurring, how it ties to geology, and the impacts it has on both marine life and human health. So what is ocean acidification? Ocean acidification is the process of decreasing pH in ocean water. When this pH is decreased, the water becomes more acidic. This is determined by the amount of hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions in the water. So over time, ocean pH has been decreasing. The ocean pH was at 8.2 before the Industrial Revolution, and today it's at 8.1. Now this may not seem like a large difference, but pH is on a logarithmic scale, so the ocean is about 25% more acidic today than it was pre-Industrial Revolution. It's suggested that the ocean could reach a pH of 7.8 by the end of the century. The last time the ocean pH was 7.8 was 14 to 17 million years ago. Here is a graph of atmospheric CO2 levels and seawater CO2 levels in correlation to the decrease in ocean pH. So why is this happening? Atmospheric carbon dioxide levels have been increasing due to human effects such as the increase of fossil fuels like coal and oil and the loss of trees for land use and agriculture. Since about 30% of CO2 is absorbed by the ocean, this plays a major role on the pH of the ocean. This graph shows how humans have drastically increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. This process ties to geology since CO2 is a part of the carbon cycle, which is a natural process of carbon being taken up and deposited by the atmosphere. The cycle occurs naturally, and most of Earth's carbon is stored in sedimentary rocks. This image shows the factors that go into the carbon cycle. Ocean acidification directly impacts marine life, specifically marine invertebrates, coral reefs, and marine plants and algae. Ocean acidification impacts marine invertebrates and coral since they rely on calcium carbonate to build their shells and skeletons. As pH decreases, carbonate ions bind to excess hydrogen ions, leaving less calcium carbonate available for these organisms. Additionally, shells can dissolve in acidic environments. This is important because coral reefs are a biodiversity hotspot. Even though they occupy only 1% of the ocean floor, they are home to 25% of marine life. Marine invertebrates are important in trophic cascades and important to the stability of marine ecosystems. This image shows how ocean acidification impacts these marine ecosystems. Now, ocean acidification is actually a beneficial thing for marine plants and algae, as they need CO2 to grow, and excess CO2 means that they have increased growth. Studies have shown that ocean acidification can negatively impact human health, as there's a depletion in the food supply and quality, an increased risk for respiratory issues, decreased mental and physical health, and increased risk of disease. Thank you.